Welcome back. Welcome back. So there's this post that Nkere medias are sharing about e-wallet, about cryptocurrency, telling people how to donate money and how to use PayPal, all manner of cryptocurrency and e-wallet to make payment, to donate money. In the name of IOU loan, I'm not against IOU loan. I don't want to talk about that because they have been doing that before, right? But who is in charge of it is what we need to ask. This video is to highlight for some of you who don't know the cash and carry freedom fighters of today. Cash and carry. There are too many. All right. So Okute Biafra made a post. And in that post, he said this. I made this post and many people was commenting nonsense for Biafra in homeland, which this video see how to pay, watch this video, see how to pay your BLT, that Biafran Division Tax. Pay to this wallet. He put link. I don't want to share any link, anything. You can see that I'm just recording that because I'll be reading it out. And he gave the network code for people that are going to make the payment. I'm not going to call anything because I don't want to promote what I don't know. Now, this wallet, who owned it? Whose wallet is this? They will still come out and tell you, though, that you are donating money to COS. What is he using the money to do? What is this? What is that? That is how to know cash and carry freedom fighters. People that if you take money away from them, they will tell you, gain a freedom back work. Gain a freedom guy back work. All they care is the money. Cash and carry. Now listen to this. Pay attention.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Nairobi. This is going to be a very short video on how to educate our people, especially those of our people that are in homeland that want to make use of our crypto wallet address on our Biafra Republic Government in Exile website where they can make donation through our cryptocurrency wallet. So when you open the website, remember if you are in homeland, you need to have a VPN for you to be able to open the website. Now when you open the website, you go to this two dash at the top right of the screen, then you look for tax, you tap on tax, so you have to scroll down. You scroll down, you see PayPal, you see Zelle, you see Cash App, and then you see the crypto wallet addresses. One, you have Bitcoin address wallet and the USDT address wallet for easy donation. I would use USDT. Okay, so kindly look at the USDT wallet address. Okay, kindly look at the USDT wallet address. Do not fall victim to a different wallet address.
Okay, let us cut it there. He keep on trying to explain on how to make use of USDT and all the e-wallet address for you to send money to their website. But this person saying this, in what is his position in the government? I mean, is he the Minister of Finance? The answer is no. Because Nkere is the acting prime minister, they said, which is a prime minister to them because to them, PM is not going to come out. That's the obvious truth. They sent this one to make this video. Who is he? Is he the finance minister? Okute Biafra, is he finance minister? All of them have one thing in common. They always create a way of having a kind of a say to anything finance. Chiamaka Jere, all of them, all of them, money. If you ask, okay, give us account of the one that you collected, they say that you are putting the security of you are putting the security of the freedom in jeopardy. You are the one trying to sell it out. When you are making the contribution, it is normal. You don't need to. It's understandable now. How can you argue about it? Just pay and leave the rest for God. This is part of it. Cash and carry freedom movement. Now, not cash and carry freedom fighters. Let me play it again. Let's just hear part of the video before it ends. It's about 2 minutes video, but I'm not gonna play it to the end.
Look at the wallet address. You can even do a screenshot and compare them. Okay, so that you won't make this payment to a wrong crypto.
Okay, this is what he said that people insulted him about. That people were not happy about this video. Now, why do you think that people will be happy to see you lying with everything in you? Lying to their friends that this is what you have to make the payment for them to make money. Because ana m anụkwa kebụl na wọz ego na-abata, but that's not why we are here. That is not why we are here. I just want you to hear that and know when people call them out about the way they are moving with the funds and everything, know the reason. People would not just wake up and say, okay, let us attack. Let us talk about them. No. That brings me to another thing. Cash and carry freedom fighters. Sona Barawa, come here. This is what he said. He said, see how Ngozi media team reasons. Ya makana na bono oge Nkere media is why you're not having your own idea copy. He said, one moment they will say they are a country now. Later, when something else come up, they say they are government in exile. Before Ngozi told them that they have already gotten recognitions from Eritrea and Amazonians who are yet to get recognition, like Biafra. Psychiatric hospital office in Georgia at work. This last line is the reason why I brought this post on this video. I've been seeing comments and some video, some posts from Sona Barawa and people like him always and every now and then mentioning psychiatric hospital. Now, let's talk about this psychiatric hospital, because COS is a doctor. Some say nurse that is working where the psychiatric hospital, people that have mental disorderness, and that is her job. Can we know your job? At least being working in a psychiatric hospital is a taboo to you, right? Now, what is your own job? We know the job of PM. He's a lawyer. He's a politician, right? We know what he's doing. We don't know job of Nkere. Apart from they say that he's selling cars, which is not true. Even if he does, it's not authentic. Anybody can say I do sell car, right? You know that kind of thing. Is that what you do? So now, Parawa, you are mocking a woman. You are mocking her job. What is your own job? Because if I come out here and say, okay, that you are lazy, I must be sure that I'm not lazy, that I am highly engaged with my work. You don't throw stone when you are living in a glass house. You keep on using psychiatric hospital, even the new registered office that Biafrans have registered after you guys hijacked the main office, the former office in Maryland, which, as I've said it before, that I believe that the reason why PM was so lenient and calm with Nkere could be because he's the one that secretary to the office. What I'm just saying, nobody told me anything. This is my own imagination. It could be the reason that PM was able to keep on patching and nursing him all this while, because the way he rushed and overthrown and hijacked that office simply means that he has upper hand in that office. Maybe his name is in the document that secured the renter of that office in Maryland. And I was told that that's where he stays. He lives there. So it is very, very easy for him. That is why you guys were waiting to laugh loud. Oh, that a COS will be stranded and Biafran will be must obey you. You have been cooking all this nonsense behind. That was what gave you guys morale. And now that you are seeing a different move, which you guys couldn't believe it. First of all, you were not sure that Biafrans will follow CS. And you believe that you dominate media. You believe that you have contact of men on ground. You believe that head office in Maryland is in your hands. These are the cabal. That is pure cabal. Nothing. What are you going to tell me? Is it when you start allocating oil wealth to your colleagues? No. You can use the little resources you have and build a cabal for tomorrow. A cabal that will be like Nigerian cabal tomorrow. That's what you guys are doing. And now you keep mentioning this psychiatric hospital in Georgia, saying that COS used her psychiatric hospital's address to register the office. If that is true, it's because we have a lot of mad people like you in Biafra land today. So the easiest way to cure this madness is to have a private hospital that's going to treat your madness. Psychiatric hospital, as if that is a taboo, like I said. Tell us your own job. What do you do? What is your job? Then we can now listen to you about US, because you guys, you can open your mouth and rant nonsense, and we think that people will just buy that and it will be, let it just be like that. Here is a post that Fotizo, that's the name of the Twitter handle here. He said, head office of every country head office of every state has a direct pass to every presidential swearing. That is trying to talk about invitation of COS in Donald Trump inauguration this coming 20th of January 2025. This guy said that Ngozi's media reason in a kind of people who are not normal. They reason anyhow. That's why he mentioned the psychiatric hospital that I'm talking about here. But if you don't want to tell us your job, like, so that you can compare your own job with one of COS, you should be proud of what you do before you attack another person's job. At least it's very clear to us now that she can't siphon our money out of hunger because she has something doing. No, ya go somebody na will call ya. Ijire ego. Ijikwono, Imakodo eji ego we go self. Is the one attacking somebody who have job, and she's proud of her job. We all know what it takes to, like, how much that medical personnel, or if you say anybody that's working in any of these developed countries, in Europe, in America, if you're one of the medical team, you'll be making a very handsome amount of money. So it is very cool money. So it is very clear. But when you ignore, when you are trying to downplay the work of other people, what they do, and you are trying to, make it look like it's a very dirty job. Somebody that, if you know your brain is not intact, you can't take care of somebody that have mental disorder. So it's only people that have sound mind and sound brain that can correct other people's brain, because you cannot give what you don't have. Some of this madness that you guys are displaying on social media, do you think any hospital will accept you? Or even you cannot do that. Yes, you have to pass through school before you can say, okay, I am a psychiatric doctor. You are working in a hospital. You are taking care of a psychiatric patient and all that. You can't say that, because you have to be sound in mind and brain. So that brings me to this idea of media team, very foolish people, calling people foolish and all this attack. You guys are, when somebody tell you or say what he or she understand, you guys will launch attack on the person. trying to rubbish the person, trying to claim that you know it more than the person. It doesn't work that way. You guys are here to prove that invitation that COS are sharing, the proof that she said that she brought out now is a fake. You guys are here to prove that. So don't pretend that you don't. We are keeping note of that. We are keeping note of that. That you know it's almost 24 hours now. None of you have actually countered that. First of all, you see how you rush to counter the first one. The second one, and you can't do anything about it. Why I call you guys cash and carry freedom fighters is because some of you follow the Nkere because of money. Some of you love to worship money more than anything. It's about money. How much am I gonna make? If I do this, how much will I gain? If you are gaining those things, are you fighting for freedom or you are fighting for money? Is it about what you can make or what you can achieve for Biafrans? Which of them do you think you should go first? What you will achieve from Biafrans or what you can offer to contribute to the movement? People don't understand that Biafrans are not sleeping. Many people are counting on you, but you betray them with your activities. This is not the first time to see Sona Barawa insulting Biafrans, using all manner of derogatory words, thinking that he's doing exposition. People have asked many times, why is it that you are not very vocal on social media? You can stream all you care because you want to deceive, you want to bring people to follow your agenda. Now, I will play this few seconds audio. Hear this from Sana Barawa too. First of all, let me read his caption. His caption on the video. He said, "Alumere, psychiatric hospital office of Georgia has really damaged a lot of brains, a lot of brain cells. Biafrans, wake up for psychiatric hospital of Ngozi Arabese. Is like I said before, he have used this psychiatric hospital as if it's a taboo. What is your own job? If not cash and carry freedom movement, cash and carry freedom fighters. This one now is if you ask him now, he's the one that made things happen in Biafra.
They were planning. The second plan they were planning with the Nigerian government is to somehow let Onyendu come out maybe a day before, be in Finland, come into the venue, declare on that day to render our just to render so many things, to what they wanted that. But that didn't work out. They were planning.
This is why I call them cash and carry freedom movement. What COS was saying here is that for you to see how they subdue or how they value PM, that they are good, what they are doing, because they want to. To him now, he believes that COS is brainwashing people, but they are the chief brainwasher. Their job is to brainwash everybody. Now, let me tell you this: this short clip that I just played now. Did COS say this? Yes, but that's not what it meant. COS said this because CS want to portray to Biafrans to see what these guys, how they value PM. That is all about insubordination, which is one of the main reasons why everything is the way it is today. Insubordination. They don't value PM. That is just gospel truth. They don't value PM. They see PM as, transition bus stop. Or maybe a kind of, yes, to transit, to move to the next level, you have to pass through this guy. Not that this guy will lead you to the next level. Do you think they love Master Magan? No. They don't love Mazen. But oh, you see, he's enemy of Mazen. No. COS did not tell you that Mazen declaring Biafra is a taboo. But she was trying to let you know that the level of, you know, um, insubordination, the way the CPM is just like this guy, Khalifa na God just make I make and I'm not gonna never na check into portal. You ain't nobody. That's what CS is trying to let Biafra know. Not that Mass Mekano declaring Biafra is a problem. If Mass Mekano is here, PM is here, and Biafra is to be declared, PM will not even, you know, allow himself to declare anything willingly without even Mass Mekano say. If Mass Mekano said to him, "Go and declare it," he will like to see Biafrans to record with the part where Mass Mekano said, "Go and do it," and it will be an honor to PM. Nobody says that PM is more superior than Mazi Manakan. Nobody's there. Even PM is doing what he's doing to elevate the respect and the command of Mazi Manakan to protect that. Everything that somebody have been doing is for the sake of Mazi Manakan, and Mazi Manakan understand that very, very well. But all these cash and carrying freedom fighters, we twist it as if they are the one making the normal sense, you know, trying to educate you that this woman is brainwashing you. They are good at cutting video and put it there as if that is what you actually said. Who does that best? Who? Tell me, who do you know what that possess that character, that characteristic? In Jeremananda, what group do you have? Can you just tell me the truth? What group do you think that does that best? DOS. If you want to say, maybe you want to say, I love you, and mistakenly maybe, because nobody's about mistake, right? You said, I hate. And even if you correct yourself immediately, they will still call the part where you made that mistake and say, oh, you see. So those who don't have time to watch the full video, we bought into that. They will believe that this what they said is the truth. This is their trend. And that's why we're here. To let you know that fake is fake, real is real. Like I said, CS said this, but that was not the message. The message is to, I don't have the full version of this video, but I can tell you when I was live watching, I was watching it live, I knew what CS was saying. That they don't value Mazi Simon Ekpa Biafran Prime Minister. Some of the things that PM is doing, they don't want it to happen. They want him to hold back until Mazi Namdekan comes out. Then they cannot venture it. They agree, even now that's what because the reason why they agree, because they feel that Biafran, you know, will not take it likely, you know, when you trying to downplay Mazi Namdekan. But the real Biafrans, after leaking or using this video to do propaganda, Biafrans actually understand what CS mean. She meant that these people are good. They are known for looking down on PM. That's the message. Nothing more. I'm going to play it again. Listen. Because
Second plan they were planning with the Nigerian government is to somehow let Onyendu come out maybe a day before, be in Finland, you know, come into the venue. Clear on that day to render our just to render so many things, you know, to what they wanted back. But that didn't work out.
Why COS delayed, you know, a kind of paused, because she was trying to choose her words carefully. If you notice, if you know, you know, she wants to choose her words carefully. She was trying to delay it. She did not say it the way she felt. Not that she don't know what to say, but the part where she said that they are discussing with the Nigerian government. Personally, I believe that is just to make the main message to look so shocking. I don't believe that Nigerian government intend to release Masamune Kanu to go and declare Biafra. No. CS said it here. I don't believe that part. Why? Because this is to tell you that I'm not here to side anybody. Okay? I'm telling you the gospel because sometimes you have to exaggerate your word to get what you want. They are battling each other, and you see they spread this kind of thing. But this idea of cutting video and make it look like, oh my God, this is the worst part of it all. Oh my God, why did she? That is a kind of a way of lying to people to make people to feel, okay, this lady really mean bad, hi, she have done bad, God forbid, to shout. Listen, to prove to you that what I said is true. Listen to this part again. Hear this one.
To make sure that Biafra land is a land where respect for men and women exists. Respect, equity, justice, inequality exists. That is what the United States of Biafra is going to stand for.
So to cash and carry group,
Biafra land is a land where
to cash and carry freedom fighters, what she said here, do you see the word that she used? To make sure that everything is equal. Women equality, men equality, everything is equal. And the part that made this people that made Sonny information video cut and join is that part where she says something inequality. That inequality, Sonny is good to go. He's very, very clever. I give it to him. Very, very smart, but very, very dubious and deceptive. Listen to that again.
Respect for men and women exists. Respect, equity, justice, inequality exists. That is what the United States of...
This is the reason why each time you see video on his that come from Sonny or any of all this cash and carry group, Okute Biafra and rest of them, go and do your funding before you take it to bank, before you take it serious. Do your findings first because they are good at that. You see this my video here. If they want to attack me, now they have a lot of things to cut from this video and tell you, look at what he said. But if you watch the full video, you will catch his joke. You catch the message, not joke. You understand it? Do you understand? I don't want to make this video too long. In fact, I was planning to just have 10-15 minutes, but now it's already 27 going to 28 minutes. So therefore, we're going to end it here. And we are going to come back, of course. God bless you all. And make sure, please, before you go, click on the like button, like this video, and subscribe if you're new. God bless you and see you again. Bye-bye for now.